Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you a Walmart haul. These are items that I picked up from Walmart from my last two trips, and most of the items here are clearance. I'm gonna start to my left. The first item is this package of designer paper, and I paid $1 for this. It was marked down to $2.50 and then to $1. The next item is this Waverly Inspirations, a laser stencil, and this is a stencil that I'll be using for a DIY, and it's of a flower. The next items are these Waverly Super Premium paints, and I paid $2 each. I picked up two black ones, and I plan to use those colors for this stencil. Then I picked up the Waverly wax, and I paid full price for this, and I think it was maybe $5, $6, not sure. I picked up this large acrylic for $2.50. This must be from the after Christmas sales. I paid $1.99. The box was crushed. I was the one that pulled it out and opened it because I wanted to smell it to see if it was something I would like, and yes, it was. It smells lovely. Here's a plastic clear ornament, and I paid 9 cents for this. Do a DIY with this. The next item are these washcloths, and I paid 50 cents for each of them, and I think I bought $5 worth of that. This is for a DIY. And I picked up two of these grill baskets, and I paid $1.50 for these. I picked up these marshmallow skewers and paid 25 cents a piece for them, and I picked up 4. In the Valentine's section, I picked up these stickers for 98 cents, and this one is the monkey motif, and this one is the owl motif. I also picked up this vinyl tablecloth, and I plan on participating in a tablescape collaboration, and I'm going to use this for that collaboration. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please share, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.